Are you one of the many people nowadays looking to lose weight? Maybe just a few pounds, or maybe you are looking to completely change how you look and lose half of your body weight. It doesn't matter, this article is here to help you with your weight loss goals. In this video you will find many tips you can use to lose weight and keep it off. Most of all, this article holds information that will keep you healthy, and your health is the most important thing in the world. Regular exercise. Yes, I know it is mentioned all the time as the main way to slim down, and that is simply because it is. You cannot avoid it. You can however choose how much exercise you want to do. Not all of us are Olympic athletes, are we? The term regular exercise does not mean go and run every day of the week and then come home and pump weights. It means make sure you stay active. Put a little effort in at least 3 times a week with a little exercise. Try and vary what you do. Even playing with your dog in the backyard is great exercise. Jog around with it, chase it, have fun. You could run, go dance, for a swim, a game with the kids or friends. Just try and fit 3 half-hour sessions in per week. Remember that it does not have to feel like a chore at all. Exercise should be fun. Healthy eating. Taking the easy option and grabbing unhealthy fast food for you and your family all the time simply is not good enough. I know some of you find it hard to find the time and money to prepare a healthy meal, but that is just the thing, it really isn't hard to eat healthy. It won't even cost you as much as fast foods. Do not spend too much time working to prepare 3 healthy meals a day, that's ridiculous. Simple rolls with salad and meat in them is a healthy alternate to pastry-filled fatty foods. Do try though, to cook healthy meals whenever you get the chance. Plenty of vegetables. Try and eat around 5 serves of vegetables per day, as well as 2 or 3 serves of fruit. A serve is approximately what will fit into the palm of your hand. And snack on fruit and veg, not sugary snacks, it'll make a huge difference. You can get healthy takeaway foods, just choose something with vegetables and not much fat, like a sandwich, some Thai takeaway dishes, or even Subway. Supplements. Yes, I said it, they can most definitely work, and work well, you just have to choose the right ones. Weight loss pills can be a very effective choice to assist you with your weight loss goals. Do not be scared to try them, most companies will even offer money-back guarantees on their products. Slimming pills can work, the hard part is finding the willingness to purchase them. Take my advice and go for it. Combined with a little exercise and a good diet, with the assistance of a weight loss pill, you will drop weight extremely quickly. That is the basics. Best of luck on your weight loss journey.
If you want to know the amazing fat loss code and lose 84 pounds, you should go in the link in the description, because that is gonna help you lose your belly fat a lot faster and easier. So go in the description right now.